That wasn't actually open, just saying.
I'm drunk.
That's
Joking.
nice.
Joking.
Get in there.
Hey, my cat can get out.
Look at that. Isn't that sunset beautiful? Look at all those lights. It's beautiful. No. Ew! What is that?
That's sunflower whip.
Ew! It smells like poop!
Oh, Brian.
What did you do?
I spilled it.
What did you do?
I was running and then my ankle just like almost twisted. And then I limped and then I hit the glass.
Say bye.